I don't need to compete with the helicopter. Come on, that's not fair. This is so much nicer. I'm not competing. One of the worst tours to give is a northern downtown walking tour. You're competing with traffic like it's 6th in Nebraska and 6th in Pierce, and boy, are those corners really noisy with traffic. By the way, can you all hear me okay? Okay. I'm not really shouting, I'm merely projecting. And I'm not angry at any of you, it's just one of those things. Heinrich Adolphus Jandt was born in Hamburg, Germany in 1822. He came to the United States in 1836 and eventually to Sioux City in 1872. He was active in the wholesale dry goods and clothing business from his arrival here until he suffered a stroke in 1909. He died in 1911. Now, just a little bit of a joke. He and his wife wrote a carol. This is not a joke, having 9 children, which they did have 9 children, but these children all married into other prominent Sioux City families, and the joke is this is what Haley and I start to refer to as spider families. These large families that kind of just marry off into other prominent Sioux City families, and we see that a lot, even in this tour. So, that is a guy who would, his headstone says Henry, but I love it, it's Heinrich Adolphus. It's just a great, great German name. Now, we're going to go find Haley, she's just up the road, and this is where we begin the big walking sections of this tour.